In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a side impact sensor on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located in the door. Let's get started. I'm going to use a pick tool in the bottom left corner and pull this trim piece out. Behind there will be a 7mm bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the trim door inside of the handle. There's two 7mm bolts under that. Go ahead and remove those. There's one 7mm bolt in the bottom middle of the door card. Using a trim tool, we're going to go around the door, popping the clips. Go around the whole door doing this. Pull the door card out, lift straight up. Push on the tab, pull straight back, and remove the cable from the handle. Remove the plastic stay for the harness. Remove the connector for the door switch, and remove the door card. Remove the two 7mm bolts for the bracket. Remove the bolts and remove the bracket. Pull the vapor barrier down. I'm going to use a razor blade to help cut the butyl tape as we pull it back. Pull the vapor barrier all the way down to the bottom, or you can fully remove it. Using a T30 bit, we're going to remove the screw for the impact sensor. This is reverse thread. You don't need to fully remove it. You can get it loose, push it through, then push the bolt through the keyhole. We have a connector on the back of it. We're going to pull back that red locking tab. Push on this gray tab in the back and remove the connector for the impact sensor. Install the impact sensor to the connector. Close that red locking tab. Install it in the back behind the door. Be sure the locator tab is within the sheet metal. We're going to snug the bolt down. This is reverse thread, so we are going to the left. Torque the impact sensor bolt to 66 inch-pounds. Install the door cable through the vapor barrier. Install the vapor barrier into place. You can use these dimples as locators. push it down into place. If it doesn't stick back down into place, you can use extra butyl tape or any waterproof tape to go around the outside. Install the bracket, get the bolts started. Snug the bolts down. Install the connector for the window switch. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the plastic stay. Install the door handle cable. Swivel it back. Push the clip on until you hear it click in. Install the door down onto the sill. Go around pushing all of the clips in. Install the 7mm screws inside of the door handle. Snug them down. Install the trim piece. It'll slide into this back part and then push down in the front. Install the bolt behind the door handle. Snug it down. Install the trim piece. Install the screw in the bottom middle of the door. Snug it down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.